Let's discuss about Regtech Apps in Fintech World. Regtech Apps, or regulatory technology applications, have become increasingly important in the financial technology, Fintech, world. These apps are designed to help financial institutions comply with regulations and reduce the risk of non-compliance, which can result in significant fines and reputational damage. Regtech apps use a range of technologies, such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and blockchain, to automate compliance processes and provide real-time monitoring of regulatory changes. This helps financial institutions to stay up to date with regulatory requirements and reduce the time and resources required for compliance. Some common types of Regtech apps include anti-money laundering, AML, and know your customer, KYC, compliance. These apps use AI and machine learning to analyze customer data and identify potential money laundering or fraud. They can also help financial institutions comply with KYC requirements by verifying customer identity and conducting due diligence checks. Regulatory reporting. These apps automate the process of collecting and submitting regulatory reports to regulatory bodies. They can help financial institutions to reduce errors and ensure compliance with reporting requirements. Risk management. These apps use data analytics and AI to assess and manage risk in real time. They can help financial institutions to identify and mitigate potential risks and comply with risk management regulations. Data security and privacy. These apps help financial institutions to protect customer data and comply with data protection regulations. They can provide secure storage and transfer of sensitive data and ensure compliance with privacy laws. The use of Regtech apps in the fintech world has several benefits. Firstly, it can help financial institutions to reduce the cost of compliance by automating processes and reducing the need for manual intervention. This can also reduce the risk of human error and improve the accuracy of compliance activities. Secondly, Regtech apps can help financial institutions to stay up to date with regulatory changes and respond quickly to new requirements. This can help financial institutions to avoid fines and reputational damage and ensure that they are meeting regulatory expectations. Finally, Regtech apps can help financial institutions to improve the overall customer experience. By automating compliance processes and reducing the time and resources required for compliance, financial institutions can focus more on providing value-added services to customers and improving the customer experience. However, there are also some challenges associated with the use of Regtech apps in the fintech world. Firstly, there is a risk that Regtech apps may not be able to keep up with the pace of regulatory change. This can lead to non-compliance and potential fines and reputational damage. Secondly, the use of AI and machine learning in Regtech apps can raise concerns around bias and lack of transparency. Financial institutions need to ensure that the algorithms used in these apps are fair and transparent, and that they are not discriminating against certain groups. Finally, the adoption of Regtech apps in the fintech world may require changes to existing business processes and infrastructure. Financial institutions may need to invest in new technologies and retrain staff to use these apps effectively. In conclusion, Regtech apps are becoming increasingly important in the fintech world as financial institutions seek to comply with regulatory requirements and reduce the risk of non-compliance. These apps can automate compliance processes, reduce the cost of compliance, and improve the overall customer experience. However, there are also challenges associated with the use of Regtech apps, and financial institutions need to ensure that they are using these apps effectively and addressing any concerns around bias and lack of transparency. In addition, the use of blockchain technology in Regtech apps can enhance data security and reduce the risk of fraud. Blockchain can provide a tamper-proof and transparent record of transactions, which can help financial institutions to comply with regulatory requirements and build trust with customers. Overall, the use of Regtech apps in the fintech world is likely to continue to grow as financial institutions seek to improve compliance and reduce the risk of non-compliance.